Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by securing your phone with a passcode because Face ID needs that fallback. Once done, open Settings, choose Face ID and Passcode, and tap Enroll Face. Follow the on-screen circular motions to capture your face from multiple angles. Make sure you enable Face ID for iPhone Unlock and Password Autofill in that menu so apps can use biometrics. This initial enrollment is crucial because a clean, complete scan makes app unlocking faster and more reliable. Next, enable Face ID access specifically for each app. You can open the app's own settings and look for Face ID, or go to Settings, right arrow Face ID and Passcode and review allowed apps. Toggle the app on and accept the biometric prompt. If an app doesn't show a toggle, make sure it's updated, then check it's in app security or account preferences. Once enabled, the app will ask you to confirm Face ID the first time. Accept so it stores that permission. Finally, verify the setup by locking your phone and opening the app. Face ID should authenticate and open directly, or prompt for your passcode on first fallback. If it doesn't, make sure attention-aware features aren't blocking recognition, and re-enroll your face in Settings, right arrow Face ID and Passcode, right arrow Reset Face ID, then enroll again. One key troubleshooting tip: clean the true depth camera area and remove obstructive eyewear or masks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.